Hey there, travel enthusiasts. If you're a Chase Sapphire cardholder planning an international adventure, you're in for a smart and seamless experience. Today, I'm breaking down everything you need to know about using your Chase Sapphire card abroad, so you can focus on exploring rather than worrying about finances. Let's dive right in. First things first, what makes Chase Sapphire a traveler's best friend? This premium credit card from Chase offers fantastic rewards, including points on travel and dining, and crucially, it waives foreign transaction fees. That means no sneaky 3% charges when you swipe in Paris or Tokyo, saving you money right off the bat. Now, how do you actually use it overseas? It's super straightforward. Just like at home, you can use your card for purchases at stores, restaurants, or online merchants that accept Visa or MasterCard. Chase Sapphire is typically on one of those networks. Before you jet off, make sure to log into your Chase account or app and set up travel notifications. This tells the bank about your trip, preventing them from flagging your transactions as fraudulent and potentially freezing your card. When it comes to currency, Chase handles the conversion automatically using the current exchange rate, so you won't have to deal with manual calculations. But keep in mind, while Chase doesn't add fees, some merchants or ATMs might, so choose wisely. Speaking of ATMs, you can withdraw local currency, but watch out for any fees from the foreign bank. Aim for ATMs in Chase partner networks to minimize costs. Security is always a priority when traveling. Enable transaction alerts on the Chase app to monitor your spending in real time and never let your card out of sight. Plus, Chase Sapphire comes with perks like trip cancellation insurance and purchase protection, which can be lifesavers if things go wrong. In summary, your Chase Sapphire card is a powerful tool for international travel, making payments easy, rewards plentiful, and surprises minimal. If you're not already a holder, it might be worth considering for your next trip. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, subscribe for more travel hacks, and drop your questions in the comments. Safe travels.